Guys, this is my 1993 Ford F-150, just an XL. Just a little review of it. It's got 2-inch wheel spacers, 35-inch by 12.5-inch wide duratracts on some aftermarket brand new 17-inch rims, new locker hubs. It's got a 2.5-inch suspension lift, just some blocks in the back. I was hoping the wheel spacers would help for rubbing on my radius arms there, but I'm still rubbing here now because of the spacers. Now I rub there, so I am gonna end up going with the 4-6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. It's got 5% limo tint on both the windows and on the back. Got a headache rack, toolbox. These I picked up because they were all dented to shit up here, so I hit it. Little bit of rust, just a little bit. Mint. It'll get fixed someday. Got these nice fucking shiny tips from Ukrainian Tire. You can see the quality they sell. They're not even a month old. It's Manitoba winters for you. Then what else? It's got a bully net instead of a tailgate. True dual long tube exhaust, or true dual long tube headers exhaust. 2.5-inch pipe right to the back, 45 out each side. 24-inch long glass packs. And what else do I got? I had to throw some new tail lights in because my old ones were pretty shitty. I threw this up here just for easier access for when I'm pissing around in the snow.